What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well, feeling great, and enjoying freedom. It's a great day to have a great day. Today I'm going to be unboxing my brand new piece of silver, something that I've been very excited about for I don't even know how long. Really quick, just in case you're new, make sure to subscribe for daily videos, subscribe to my second channel for weekly videos, get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel. We got the DYDSS Halloween tees back in stock only until Halloween, so get one while you can. Try out some G Fuel Energy Formula, $5 off your first order, and of course make sure to go and get your free up to 12 fractional shares by downloading Webull and funding your account. Refer a friend by October 12th and they're going to give you 15 free fractional shares. Refer 3 friends by the end of the month and they're going to give you all the way up to 20 free shares of Apple. And of course, if you refer a friend who enables crypto trading, you're going to get $5 worth of a crypto of your choice. Everything will be linked in the description. Alright, so you might be wondering where in the world I am and why does it look like I'm about to get hit by a hurricane. Well, I'm at a public park because I wanted to film this video on the DYDSS trail, but obviously the weather probably wasn't going to happen. So I'm under this gazebo right here. Anyway, I got this package in the mail the other day and I'm really excited to open it up. I don't want to waste any time, so let's just jump right into it. To make it simple, since I'm working with just one hand over here, I already have it punctured. So inside this package, I have something that I've been wanting for, to be honest, I don't even know how long. I want to say well over a year. I don't know what took me so long to actually do it, but I finally did. And I guess what inspired me to do it was the month of October, because this right here, it's not really anything Halloween themed or Halloween related, but it kind of looks like something that would be, and I'll explain what I mean by that in just one moment once I get this bad boy out of here. Check this out. This would be the 3-ounce, 3 troy ounce Monarch Precious Metals Pure Silver Poured Bar. Now I'll take it out of that little plastic flip in just one second. Let me just make sure this garbage doesn't go flying anywhere. You know, I live in New Jersey, one of the cleanest states out there. Anyway, let's see if I can do this one-handed. And I'm also going to compare this to something else that I have in my bag over there. I don't know if I'm even able to do this. No, I'm not able to do it one-handed. I'm going to set this down right here. Come over here. Check this out. Wow! This is my first time actually seeing it. I opened up the package just because I wanted to make sure that the video would be simple. I did not look inside. So this is my first time actually seeing it. It's my first time actually holding it. This thing is awesome. It's a 3 troy ounce, 3/9 fine silver bar. On the back, just blank. It's the Monarch Precious Metals bar. Now, what inspired me to get this, believe it or not, was the 2-ounce version of that right there, which I have right here. Now, I know the size difference between this 2 and 3-ounce bar might look insane. Are you sure that's only a 1 troy ounce difference? Yes, because this one right here, look how thick that is. It's like a little silver brick. This one, on the other hand, it's actually pretty slim. Now, when I said before that this thing kind of reminds me of something that would make sense for the month of October, or should I say the month of Halloween, remember, these are going away in just a couple of weeks. Get one while you can. This thing always reminded me, since the day I saw it, this thing has always reminded me of a tombstone for some reason. It looks like a headstone. It looks like, and by the way, you better believe I'm going to be taking a picture or making a video with this thing kind of propped up to make it look like a tombstone of some sort out in the grass. I'm going to save that for later in the month, I guess. I don't know, but I just think that'd be a pretty cool picture. Anyway, though, I just wanted to break this bad boy out, take a look at it, and I'm really pleased. This thing is awesome. When I got the 2-ounce version of this, the little silver brick, I thought it was so cool. I was like, man, you know what? That's all it took. Now I officially need to get the 3-ounce, and here we are. So that was the Monarch pedals 3-ounce poured bar unboxing. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, if you could do me a favor and hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, subscribe to my second channel, which is my backup channel for exclusive weekly content. Go and get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel in the biggest possible way. Limited edition DYDSS merch, only available until Halloween. Get one while you can. Try out some G Fuel energy formula, sugar-free, low-calorie, packed with a whole bunch of vitamins, 50 different flavors to choose from. This one just so happens to be peach rings flavored, which is why I got myself a pack of peach rings just to show off for the videos, if anybody knows what those are. And of course, last but certainly not least, make sure to go and get your up to 12 free fractional shares by downloading Webull and funding your account. Refer one friend by October 12th, and they're going to give you 15 free fractional shares. Refer 3 friends by the end of the month, and they're going to give you all the way up to 20 free shares of Apple. And if you refer anybody who enables crypto trading, they're going to give you $5 worth of a crypto of your choice between Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, Sheeb, and Cardano. Everything will be linked in the description. Head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Don't you dare stop smiling. Peace.